So it's summertime and it's hot outside. Does the ice cream truck come around your neighborhood? When you hear that sound, the music coming through the loudspeakers, what's the first thing that you think of? Now, if you say strawberry crunch ice cream bars, you're gonna love this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Inspiring Mealtime. If this is your first time visiting, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Alright guys, so here is the no-bake strawberry crunch ice cream cake. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that we're going to need for this strawberry crunch ice cream cake. So we're going to need some freeze-dried strawberries, also some Oreos, the golden ones, 1 stick of butter, some vanilla ice cream. You can use whatever vanilla that you like. I have French vanilla here, and also some sherbet. Ideally, you want strawberry, but if you can't find strawberry, like I couldn't, raspberry will do just as well. You just don't have to tell anybody that it's not strawberry. Okay, so let's get started on the strawberry crunch ice cream cake. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our Oreo cookies and we're just going to chop them up into crumbs. So the next thing we're going to do is to take our butter, about 2 tablespoons, and melt it. Then we're going to take the freeze-dried strawberries and then just crush them up to more like little chunks or powder. Then we're going to take our crunched up Oreo cookies, add in the melted butter, and this is going to be the base layer of our crunch cake. So I'm just going to pat that down and make like a little crust out of those cookie crumbs. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to add in some of the strawberry crumbs to some of the cookie and butter crumbs, and that's going to be our strawberry crumble topping mixture. Alright, so after that, we're going to just add in our vanilla ice cream. So we're just going to add in enough ice cream to make a nice layer of vanilla ice cream. Just smooth it all out, nice and flat. And then after that, we're going to add in the sherbet. So whether you found some strawberry sherbet or whether you got raspberry like me, you just want to add in a layer of that sherbet over your vanilla ice cream. And then after your sherbet, you want to add in some more vanilla ice cream. And after all of that, you want to top it off with that like strawberry crunch. This is the thing that's really going to make it reminiscent of the strawberry crunch ice cream bars that we all remember from our childhood. Alright, so you're going to want to pop this into the freezer for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. You just want it to be nice and firm for when you cut it and serve it up. So just cut it into slices and serve it up, and you are ready to have your no-bake strawberry crunch ice cream cake, ready to enjoy on those hot summer days. Alright guys, so I really hope that you enjoy this recipe and try it out, and I hope that it takes you down that walk of memory lane to your childhood summers. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.